children, the backbone of every nation. From the time of creation, from the time of creation. When I was born, just a little baby, me look to me mommy and me granny with love, love, L-O-V-E, love. Imagine you sacrifice your own body, carry the weight, you a true lady. Nurture a child for 9 long months, you bear upset, nausea, swelling and bumps. Upset, nausea, swelling and bumps. Mothers, me say we love you. Mothers, we can't do without you. For you are God's gift to little children, the backbone of every nation. From the time of creation, from the time of creation. Mothers are clothed with strength and dignity. Bring your family together in love and unity. Teach your children about good manners. Your excellence surpass other planners. Your excellence surpass other planners. Mothers, me say we love you. Mothers, we can't do without you. For you are God's gift to little children, the backbone of every nation. From the time of creation, from the time of creation. Although times are the pot still a bubble, put food on the table and make it a double. Provide clothing, shelter and education. We happy, show we appreciation. We happy, show we appreciation. Mothers, me say we love you. Mothers, we can't do without you. For you are God's gift to little children, the backbone of every nation. From the time of creation, from the time of creation. Some people honor than man and politicians. Some honor pop stars, sports clubs and bar. But we come to celebrate mothers near and far. We come to celebrate mothers near and far. Them honor than man and politicians. Them honor pop stars, sports clubs and bars. But we come to celebrate mothers near and far. We come to celebrate mothers near and far. Mothers, me say we love you. Mothers, we can't do without you. For you are God's gift to little children, the backbone of every nation. From the time of creation, from the time of creation, from the time of creation. We salute you, mothers.